Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send money using PayPal. Whether you're paying for goods, services, or sending money to friends and family, I'll walk you through the entire process. So let's get started. To send money, first log into your PayPal account. So open your browser and go to paypal.com. Click on login at the top right corner, enter your email and password, and then click login. So for to start, first is once logged in, you'll be directed to your People account homepage. In the main menu, click on Send here. Once you click the Send option, you can see in this page Send payments to. So just put the name, the username, email, or mobile number of the person you wanted to send the money. So just click on it or put their names. And then after that, you will be routed in this new page. Just put the amount of how much money you'll be sending the person. And then after that, click next. And after that, you can see here, you can choose the appropriate option based on the type of transactions. You have the option for goods and services, for payments related to purchases with PayPal's protection for buyers and sellers. And then for friends and family, ideal for personal transfers with no fees unless it's an international transfer. So just enter the recipient's information. So in the send money to, just click to continue. If for goods and services, we'll continue this, for example. And after that, just click send. And after that, you will be sending the money to that certain account if you're chosen. So that's it for today. I hope this video helps you. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.